Everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Helen Moynihan and I'm your nutritional therapist and health coach. I'm based in Oxford, but I run a completely virtual clinic working in women's health. I'm also a business mentor for other nutritionists at Zest for Life, and I'm also a guest lecturer at the Institute for Optimum Nutrition where I trained. I hope you managed to find some joy and relaxation over this very peculiar festive period. In these times of uncertainty, are you concerned about your physical and your mental health? I know from talking to lots of you that it's really hard working from home. There's more temptations because you're closer to the fridge. Maybe you're not getting out to do your regular exercise classes and regular exercise. And perhaps you're just really bored of looking at the same four walls and feeling anxious about the future of humanity. Perhaps you put on some weight last year, or you've been less active than you usually are, or maybe you've allowed some bad habits to sort of creep in. Perhaps wine every night of the week, just rather than just at the weekend, more takeaways than usual to take away the drudgery of thinking about what to cook every evening and lunchtime. So it's worth considering that we all have the power to make a significant difference to our physical and our mental health, just by making some really simple changes to our diet and our lifestyle. It really can impact the way that we all feel. So could the current restrictions perhaps be an opportunity for you to focus on your own health and your own well-being? It is certainly causing a lack of any social life, so perhaps this could be an opportunity for you to sort of take a step back and perhaps make some new kind of healthy habits. If ever there was a time for a healthful overhaul, then it must be now. I would love you to join me and the fabulous Sarah Goldsack of Go Figure and prioritise as we guide you to better health. So Sarah is my wellness warrior partner, and we are joining forces again to bring to you a brilliant kind of online program starting on the 11th of January. I've been running these online groups for over 3 years now, and they are such great fun. Everyone comes back, with great feedback, and participants come back over and over again because they enjoy them so much and they get so much from them. So this 28-day plan is an opportunity to establish some really good healthy habits, to discover just how delicious healthy eating can be. As my 14-year-old daughter says, food can be nutritious and delicious. So the meals in the plan are designed to help you feel lighter and brighter, to give you more energy, to help with your sleep, to help you sleep better, of course, to support your immune system, reset your metabolism, and so much more. So many join for weight loss, and the recipes are low glycemic load and absolutely specifically designed for this. So these are the kind of things that I recommend to my clients when I'm working with them one-to-one as well. For example, for breakfast, we've got a delicious new recipe, which is a pear crumble recipe, and also breakfast hash, which is another new recipe. Lunch could be a warm lentil salad, or perhaps some sweet potato fish cakes. And dinner could be a really quick vegan chili, or perhaps a chicken tray bakes. They're all designed to be quick and easy to make. There are also healthy snack ideas, such as apricot and almond energy bars, and also some kale crisps, which are one of my favourites. There's no calorie counting, no strict meal plans, just delicious tried and tested recipes and daily nutrition and lifestyle tips with a really lovely fun group to keep you all motivated. We have a weekly Zoom session, which has been really popular. That's so that I can answer any questions as they come up, but also so that you can get to know the other people that you're working with, and so you'll feel supported. So Sarah and her group of fitness experts will provide you with online classes. These are available whenever you can do them, so you can fit them around your work schedule or your family life. There's a whole mix of different ones that you can do, so from low impact to high impact, as well as stretching. And she also has these great short, what we call exercise snacks for you to kind of fit in when you can. So I love prioritise and also the Pilates classes, there's yoga. I mean, there's just, And then there's lots of kind of dance and music based classes as well. So here's some feedback from our last 28-day plan. I have managed to lose 1/2 stone and 2 inches off my waist and hips. I'm so proud that I'm making healthy food choices, eating regularly, and not eating secretly because I don't feel that I need to, because I feel full. So here are some of the answers to some of the questions that Sarah and I have had over the last couple of weeks. So first of all, somebody asked me yesterday, do I need to be on Facebook? So no, the plan is actually run through an app that you can access through your phone, or you can access it through your web browser, and it's not connected in any way to Facebook. Sarah's classes are also available either on Facebook, so you can join them live on Facebook, or they're through a password protected website. So again, if you're not on Facebook, that's not an issue. Somebody else asked me how strict the plan is. So really it's up to you how strictly you want to follow everything, but you'll have a recipe pack with breakfast, lunch and dinner ideas, and I provide a menu planner as well. But if you fancy having lunch for breakfast or breakfast for lunch, that's totally fine too. So I'm not going to strictly say you must have this for breakfast, you must have that for lunch, and you must have that for dinner. And somebody also asked, are the recipes for the whole families? Absolutely. So I'm a mum of 2 teens, and obviously it depends on your kind of children's choices and what their preferences are, but you can adapt the recipes for your family, and also if there's something specific that you're after, then I will provide extra recipes as well. Someone also asked, how do you measure success? So how do you know how well you've been doing? So we'll start with doing body measurements on the first day of the plan. And we also do a health and energy review, which is like a questionnaire. We do that at the beginning and the end, and obviously the measurements at the end. So it's a kind of mix of quantitative measurements and also really thinking about how you feel. So also a lot of people have asked about vegetarian recipes. So the recipe pack is for meat eaters and vegetarians. You can adapt some of the recipes in the pack. There are vegetarian options as well. But also I provide a vegetarian recipe pack to go alongside it as well. So there's plenty of different options for you. And I've also got a module that includes some different vegetarian recipes. So you'll have plenty of different choices. So any other questions, then please just let me know or let Sarah know. You can book in the link below, and we really look forward to seeing you in the group this time.